this is the quad lock system being fixed on the Busa. So we have put the charger that is automatic connected to the battery, and then we charge it. Then the steering dampener is below. You can see the play here. Steering dampener, the this thing arm length to fix that. Then on that the dampener will come. Then the charging set. The wire is routed under the tank, and from there it goes to the battery, positive, negative, and there's a adapter where there is a switch which you can put it as on, off, or auto mode. Auto mode, it will be there and it will cut off when the charging is complete. So this is what is the way it has been done, and the short video to show you how a quad lock system is fixed for mobile charging, including, and then dampener for iPhone. Thank you very much.